Dear student brothers and sisters, today we will discuss the second part of the essay rainy season. Second part of the essay rainy season. Before that, let us do Brahmanad. So now we will discuss the second part of the essay rainy season. Side heading 5. Up to side heading 5 we discussed in the last class, but some 2 or 3 lines of side heading 5 we completed in the last class. The side heading or the 5th point or the 5th side heading will continue in this class, and the 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th side headings will be completed in this class. Now let us discuss. Now the 5th side heading is disadvantages of rainy season. Disadvantages of rainy season. Now, in this side heading or in this point, I would like to tell you that we have already discussed 2 or 3 lines. For example, rainy season brings a lot of disadvantages to people, and like flood. If there will be heavy rainfall, there will be flood, and because of flood, communication will be cut off, and flood causes damage to crops. Flood washes away many houses, many people, many domesticated animals, and flood also damages crop. Overflow of river break the river embankments, and water flooded in the crop field, and the crop gets damaged. Like this, crops get damaged, and then for days together the sun is not seen, so everything continues to remain wet for days together, and thatched houses leak. So like this, we face a lot of problems. Village roads become muddy, and even some pakka roads get damaged because of flood. So you see, village roads becomes muddy. Some pakka roads get damaged. Flood cuts off communication, washes away many houses, and people and also domesticated animals then thatched houses lead and thatched houses leak and everything remains wet. Everything continues to remain wet. Continues to remain. Everything continues to remain wet for days together due to want of sunshine. So like this, the poor people suffer from residential problem because they have thatched houses, kacha houses, walls are made of clay. So because of all these things, poor people suffer from residential problems because the houses are thatched, so houses leak. So like this, these are the problems that the people suffer from because of flood. And then there are some diseases, some killer diseases in this season, as a result of which the people suffer. So let us see what are the diseases. Let us see what are the diseases. These diseases of rainy season. Diseases of rainy season. People suffer from some killer diseases like cholera, malaria, dysentery, typhoid, diarrhea, and some other diseases. Malaria, dysentery, typhoid, diarrhea, cholera. These are the killer diseases that people suffer from during the rainy season. So some people suffer from cold and cough. Some people suffer from stomach problem. Like this, people suffer from different diseases during this rainy season. Then, pneumonia also is another disease. Pneumonia is also another disease which people suffer from. And then let us see the advantages that the rainy season brings for the people. So far as the advantages are concerned, people, so far as the advantages are concerned, people get a lot of advantages. People get a lot of advantages, like you see advantages of rainy season. Advantages of rainy season. In this season, vegetables. First of all, let me tell you that rainy season also brings some advantages for the people. Rainy season also brings some advantages for the people. Like for example, vegetables become very cheap in these days. Vegetables are very cheap, and plentifully available. Vegetables like lady's finger, pumpkins, peas, brinjal, bitter gourds, papaya, etc. are plentifully available in this season. And you know, gardening is very easy in this season. And some seasonal flower plants, are planted in this season. And you know, natural mushrooms available in the forest, people collect for their consumption. People collect natural or forest mushrooms plentifully from the jungle, and people also get green leafy vegetables a lot. Green leafy vegetables are plentifully available in this season. In this season, forest mushrooms are also plentifully available in this season. Forest mushrooms are also plentifully available in this season. Now, gardening is easy. I have already told you. Gardening is very easy in this season. Then the different festivals and fasts of the rainy season. Festivals and fasts of the rainy season. Festivals and fasts of the rainy season. Now see, a number of festivals we celebrate during the rainy season. A number of fasts and festivals. A number of fasts and festivals we observe in the rainy season. For example, we observe festivals like car festivals, Guru Purnima, Janmashtami, Khudrukuni, then the Ganesh Puja, the Vishwakarma Puja, and our national festival, that is Independence Day. The Independence Day also we celebrate during the rainy season. For India, we celebrate the Independence Day during the rainy season, that is on 15th August every year. So the national festival that is the Independence Day. Independence Day we celebrate in 15th August with great pomp and show. So like this, these are the different festivals that we celebrate during these are the different festivals and fasts that we celebrate during the rainy season. So these are all the advantages of rainy season. Now I would like to conclude the essay. In conclusion, I would like to tell you. I would like to tell you that rainy season is a season of pleasure and pain. Because it has not only disadvantages but also a lot of advantages. So I like this season very much. I would like to conclude that with all its advantages and disadvantages, I like rainy season very much because it is a season of pleasure and pain. So that is all about the essay. I would like to tell you now that where we left the first part of the essay rainy season, from there you will write. From there onwards, you will write in today's class whatever will be given to you, whatever is given to you in discussion, and with this video class, I will send you a photocopy of the second part of the written second part of the essay rainy season. I will send you with this video.